Hi my angels, so it's Aidette and I'm doing another vlog style type video, and today I'm going to be doing a McDonald's mukbang. I know, amazing. So I've had way too long of a break without McDonald's, so I'm gonna head over, do a little montage of me getting my food, and I'm rewarding myself today because I just finished a tutorial that took me forever to film. Let's head over to McDonald's, get our food because I'm getting hangry. I don't normally listen to 6ix9ine ever, but Fifi like goes hard, guys. I think it's more Nicki that went hard, but oh my god. Ooh, what do I want? What do I want? Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, am I even going in through the right way? Fudge. Oh yes I am. Hee hee. Oops.
Alright, what can I get for you?
10-piece chicken nugget, large fries, and for the drink can I actually get a medium chocolate chip frappe?
Yeah.
And that'll be it.
10.59 is the first window.
Okay, thank you. Yes. Thank you.
You have cute nails.
Thank you. Have a good day. She said I have cute nails.
So let's have the mini chocolate chip wrap, the 10-piece nuggets by first.
Mm-hmm.
Waiting for the bread.
Okay, thank you.
Here you go.
Alright, excuse me, I actually ordered the chocolate chip frappe.
Chocolate chip wrap?
Yeah.
Alright.
Thanks. Sorry.
Oh, this is the chocolate chip.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, because I didn't even see the chocolate chips.
Oh, they're probably
That's
good.
weird.
Yeah, I'll put more.
Okay, thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you, you too. Oh my god. So while I was at the drive-thru, I don't know if you guys were able to hear, the guy that was serving me was so nervous. As soon as he saw me, he was just like, and like he was literally shaking with my food. Like I felt so bad. I was like, oh my god. It was really funny. So I was just like not trying to give him a hard time because there's no chocolate chips in my frap, and like I like my frap a certain way. Like I don't feel like that's really being bratty. I feel like that's kind of getting like what you pay for it, because like, you know, I asked for my chocolate chips, I need my chocolate chips, and he made it for me. And the workers inside were like, oh, are you nervous, like making it all loud. I was like, oh my god, leave this guy alone. Let's go enjoy some McDonald's, girls. I'm about to grow on some McDonald's. I'm so excited. So I was a little hungry, so I did already drink some of my chocolate chip frap. Sometimes McDonald's likes to kind of cheat me on some food, so I hope that today they didn't give me like 12-day-old nuggets, because that's what they did last time. Okay, I didn't get a lot, so I'm just gonna roll with what I got. So I have my 10-piece chicken nuggets here, and then I have my fries. How do these mukbangers make everything look so good all the time? Oh my god, they didn't freaking give me ranch. They didn't give me ranch. Oh my god, guys, what the fudge? How the heck am I supposed to eat my chicken nuggets with no ranch? I should have checked. Fudge. Okay, well, I have some ketchup, so I guess that'll have to do. I actually heard that mayo is really good with it. And we're gonna make some In-N-Out sauce. Okay, so getting my mayo, getting a nice little spoonful like this, and put it in there. I've actually seen some mukbang people actually eat it like this, just like with mayo. It's actually not bad at all. That's really good. Then I'm going to be getting some ketchup. Okay, that was some wet ketchup. So we got our mayo, we got our ketchup, and I'm gonna do like a little mini concoction in the middle. Probably looks so disgusting to you right now, but it's gonna be good. It's going to be good. So in the middle here we have our fake In-N-Out sauce. Really good. Good job, I bet. Why are all the healthy foods like not as amazing as fast food, but fast food is so horrible for you but just so good? I don't understand. These chicken nuggets should definitely be a lot crunchier. Next time I go to McDonald's, I'm gonna be like, can y'all make them like, you know, kind of fresh? But anyway, guys, life has been freaking great recently to me, and I have God to thank for that, and my parents for sure. I don't even want to keep talking about it because I'm gonna start crying. I'm such an emotional person, guys. Like, so for my birthday, which just recently passed, I got so many roses, like so many roses. I think I got like almost 9, either 8 or 9 dozen roses, and I love roses with all my heart. I got some roses from friends, and I also got some from my family, and then I got some from some companies. I got some from Sugar Bear Hair, and I also got some from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And when I saw that I got some from Anastasia, I literally freaked out, because Anastasia is like, obviously it's Anastasia, like I feel like that's one of my favorite makeup brands for like as far as lips. Anastasia also really has good eye products. I really do like their Modern Renaissance. Of course, everyone did. Her recent one that she just came out with, the Norvina palette. Oh, that probably has to be my favorite right now. It's so weird because people started off making fun of like mukbangs and ASMRs, but I'm not trying to be that girl, but I'm gonna be that girl. I started watching mukbangs and ASMRs way before I started to get even popular. I think it's like a Korean hot dog where there's like mozzarella in it and like a weenie, and like you just bite it, it's super crunchy. Like squid, or when they eat like chewy things, kind of like sushi. Oh my gosh, helps me fall asleep so good. Oh my god. The reason I think I love this frap so much is because I love the little chocolate chunks that it has inside, but it's like such a nice, not too sweet drink. It's just very like smooth. I'm getting kind of full. I don't know if I should eat this last one. And I have a lot of fries left too. Why did I even ask for a large? I should have asked for a medium. I used to love the show Finding Carter. If you guys know, you know I used to be obsessed with Finding Carter, but then they discontinued the show after 2 seasons, I believe. Oh my gosh, the bottom is all ice. Dang, McDonald's really did me dirty this time. What the heck? All right, guys, so I am pretty much done right now because I feel stuffed. I ate all my chicken nuggets. Half of my fries are still here, but I still have this going on, and it's all ice, but I'm gonna try to eat it somehow. But that is all, my angels. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.